In this exercise we have a table of temperatures 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and its corresponding description. If we were to run a normal Vlookup as we've been doing to date using for Melbourne, if I do Vlookup the temperature of 30 degrees, then this table column 2 comma 0, we get a description of hot, which corresponds to 30 degrees there. If, however, we run the same Vlookup for Sydney, 22 degrees, which doesn't exist here, comma 2, comma 0, you'll find it says NA. So it's simply saying it can't find 22 there. However, the nature of this question, which is to determine the description of the Sydney temperature at 22, means that it's nice, because between 20 and 30 or 29 is deemed nice. So if we go back to our original Vlookup formula, remove the 0 or the false argument, which is simply meaning an exact match, you'll find that it now looks between these two values and decides that 22 corresponds with nice. So depending on the nature of the question, you will either use the false argument or not. So try it both ways as a bit of a practice so you can see what it actually does.